Have you ever dreamed of waking up to one of the most famous waterfalls in the world? I'm talking floor-to-ceiling views, mist raising in the morning, and glowing lights at night. Then staying at Sheraton Fallsview Hotel might be exactly what you're looking for. Today I'm taking you inside to show what it's really like to stay here. I'll cover the room, amenities, dining, and things to do nearby. Is it actually worth the price of $635 per night in summer? Let's get lost in this cool hotel. The first thing you notice about this hotel is the location. You're right in the heart of Niagara Falls on the Canadian side, with quick access to attractions, restaurants, and entertainment. As soon as you walk into the lobby, it feels lively and upscale. It's constantly buzzing with families, couples, travelers from all over the world, but it never feels overwhelming. And once you catch the first glimpse of the falls from inside the hotel, you immediately understand why people choose to stay here. Parking is also available on site for an extra $40 per night. The check-in process was quick and easy. Let's talk about the rooms, because this is where Sheraton really shines. If you book a falls view room, you're getting a massive window that frames the falls almost like a live painting. During the day, you see powerful water rushing non-stop. At nighttime, the falls lights up in different colors and it honestly feels magical. The rooms themselves are spacious, clean, and modern. You've got a well-designed bathroom, comfortable beds, large TV, and a fireplace. Everything feels practical and polished. Waking up here is probably my favorite part. You open the curtains and boom, one of the most iconic views on the planet. One huge plus is the convenience of food options. The hotel is in the perfect location and it is only a 2-minute walk to Clifton Hill. You have access to multiple restaurants, cafes, and fast casual spots. The Fallsview Grand Buffet is open for breakfast and dinner. We did the breakfast buffet here and it was a great way to start the day with a perfect view. They had a huge variety to choose from and the cost was $50 per person. We highly recommend that you eat at this buffet at least once during your stay. The Niagara Brewing Company serves a lively pub menu of handcrafted comfort food, from juicy burgers and chicken wings to shareable boards, perfect for pairing with meals. This was a nice spot for lunch just outside the hotel. For dinner, we went to Prime Steakhouse next to the hotel. They serve an elegant steakhouse menu centered around premium cuts of beef, lamb, fresh seafood, and other classic favorites. You can pair these dishes with a selection of wines while enjoying stunning floor-to-ceiling views of Niagara Falls through the restaurant's dramatic windows. It was a bit expensive, but it was nice to splurge on a fancy dinner. If you're craving something late night, Boston Pizza is close by. They serve a casual menu of comfort foods like loaded nachos, pizza, pasta, burgers, and ribs. With its sports bar vibe and generous portions, it's a popular spot for groups and families looking to enjoy crowd-pleasing dishes after a day of exploring the falls. Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed the food at Niagara Falls as there was so much to choose from. The Sheraton is especially popular with families because of its indoor water park access, arcade areas, and entertainment spaces. If you're traveling with kids, this place can easily feel like a mini resort. If you're a couple or solo traveler, you can still enjoy the atmosphere while spending most of your time exploring outside. There's also a fitness center, pool area and plenty of indoor walkways that connect you to attractions, which is amazing during winter or rainy days. Step outside and you're minutes away from Clifton Hill, which is packed with arcades, restaurants, fun houses, and attractions. You're also close to the iconic spot like the zip line, boat tours, and the scenic walking path along the falls. The best part, you can walk almost everywhere without needing a rental car. There is so much to do in this area, so prioritize the must-do attractions based on your interest. This hotel is ideal if you want the best view of the falls, you love being in the center of the action, and you value convenience and comfort. If you're looking for quiet, remote boutique vibes, this probably isn't it. But if you want classic Niagara Falls energy with incredible scenery, this hotel delivers. Staying at the Sheraton Fallsview Hotel feels like a true Niagara Falls experience. The views alone make it memorable, and the location makes everything easy. The price was about $635 per night in summer, and we went in July. Would we stay here again? Absolutely, especially in the Fallsview room. This is a bucket list hotel with stunning views. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel experiences, and drop any questions below about staying at Niagara Falls. Thanks for watching! Until next time, let's go and get lost!